Go ahead.
Okay. What's up? Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien y tú? Me llamo Steven. For those who don't know, for those who not bilingual like me, I just said hello. My name is Steven. How are you? Right? I'm bilingual, right? And today we got something special going on, right? Only lady wanted some dessert. What else am I here for, right? Making some dessert. So we got ice cream, vanilla ice cream. That's all you need. You don't need all the extra stuff. Captain Crunch with berries, right? You don't have to use that, but I will.
I don't want that on mine.
That's fine. It's optional. I'm gonna use it on mine though. And then we got the cookie dough. Now, my fault. I should have got Pillsbury. That's on me. But you live and you learn, right? This is what I saw at the store. This is what I got. Okay? That's 4 ingredients. You need a skillet, right? And what you want to do is you want to use vegetable oil because the avocado oil, that's too healthy. We don't want that right now. We don't want that's too much health. We don't need that right now. Okay? So you need the skillet, the cookies, the Captain Crunch with berries, and the ice cream. I already got my oven preheated because I'm not an amateur. I really do this.
What is your oven preheated to?
My oven is preheated to 350 because that's what the cookie said. And what you want to do is you want to follow directions on the cookie. See, that's why some of y'all food be nasty because y'all don't be following directions. Y'all be trying to do y'all own little seasons, own little stuff, and y'all be messing up. Y'all be doing too much. Yeah. And I already washed my hands because we not working with no nasty hands.
Yeah, I apologize. This is dude number one's son is in the kitchen today.
Hey,
this him.
This not beautiful too. All right, this is a different type of video. Okay. All the nice stuff, hey, we're not doing that. Because sometimes you got to, listen, man, I got to get my point across to some of y'all, because some of y'all hard-headed. Y'all know what you say, hard head make a soft behind. Thank you. Let me put this ice cream up so it don't melt. Okay, so with this, you don't need this whole pack. Save some for tomorrow, please. I think I'm going to do about half the pack, right? I'm going to do about half the pack. And what you want to do is you want to take that, you want to take this part, you're going to save that for later because I promise you're going to want to make this again.
Do you have to sound like you fussing at them though?
Some of them, yes.
Okay.
Because like I said, they don't listen. They hear 350. They think because they've been in the kitchen for whoever knows how long that they can do 400. That's how you burn your cookies, right? So now you just want to put them in there like that, but this is a cookie skillet. This is a cookie skillet, right? So what you want to do is you want to mash it up, right? You want to mash it up and make sure it fills the whole cookie, right? I mean the whole pan. If you want to add more, you can, right? Because it's me, pastor only lady, I might need a little bit more, so I'm probably do another row.
About how thick do you think they need to be? About how thick do you think it needs to be? Maybe about 1/2 inch thick, or
that'll work. That'll work. Like I said, you don't need much. There we go. There we go. And what it's going to do is, from my expertise, right, from making this last time, it's going to rise up. So it's not going to be like this. This is sticky.
It's sticky.
Yeah, this didn't stick last time.
That's why your hands have to be clean. What, did you use Toll House Nestle cookies last time?
I don't know what I used last time.
Oh, okay. It's all right.
But it's all right, though. Because one thing about me, I know how to pivot. All right? I know how to pivot. Look at that. And this is not going to be a long video. Get in, get out. Right? If you don't know how to make this, then I might do one more just because. Right? Just because tomorrow a holiday. You want to get your final touches. Right? Make sure it's all evenly distributed. Right? Because you don't want it uneven anywhere. But I'm liking how this is feeling. The oven should be done preheating because it's only at 350. It shouldn't take long. And once you do that, you halfway done. Yeah, that's it right there. Nice and even, nice and even. Because we will be perfect. Okay? What Denzel say? You miss a blocking assignment, you run a mile. Okay? You don't evenly distribute this cookie. Good luck, Buttercup. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. This is going to be really good on the lady.
It is. Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Yeah, that's it right there.
I'm gonna let him see what it looks like in the skillet.
See that? See that right there? Now wait till it's done, because like I said, it's going to rise. It's going to rise. Like Jesus rose from the grave, right? It's going to rise.
You ready to go and put it in?
Yeah, I think so. Now it says, right, let's read the instructions together. Preheat oven to 350, we did that. Bake 11 to 12 minutes. We're going to start with 11, right? Because you can, listen, we're going to start with 11 because you can always add more time, but you can never take time away. We're going to start with 11. What you do is you got to taste the products first.
But why you have to smell? Why you have to smell?
Huh?
Why you have to smell?
Well, only lady, when you've been cooking as long as me, some you can just tell by certain smells, right? If it don't smell right, it ain't right, you know? And then I'm thinking about the future because I still have a whole bag of Captain Crunch with berries that I can eat whenever. I'm thinking the long game, right? That's called wisdom. See? God said if you ask for wisdom, he'll give it to you liberally. That means freely, right? Now, you want to take your Captain Crunch. Again, this is optional. You want to take your Captain Crunch and you want to break it up. Right?
You are, baby, just take some and smush it.
I don't know why I did that.
Did they break?
No, they broke. Call me DJ Steve.
I was getting ready to help you. Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. Making a cookie skillet. That's good enough. I like that right there. So then we're gonna see in a little bit when we take the cookie skillet out, we add the ice cream on top, sprinkle some of this on, and then bon appetit. You ready? Yep, say that. I'm gonna fold these up only in case you want some cookies.
You gotta put them in a Ziploc bag or something.
So what I want to do now is take a peek, and it's doing what it's supposed to do, but I got 2 minutes left. Okay, I'm gonna add another 3 minutes, so that'd be, I think 5 minutes to get us to where we want to be at. 5, because it's looking good right now. Of course, I don't make no mistakes when I cook because I'm really like that. But I think about 5 more minutes, it's gonna get that crisp around that crisp.
He makes no mistakes.
Oh, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I listen. When it comes to cooking and in that kitchen, I'm a dog.
No mistakes when he.
I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I understand to believe that. Tell you. Okay. Now I'm looking at it. It's done. How do I know? Again, I'm an expert. Right? Look at that. Look at that right there. I would touch it, but it's hot. I'm not that much of an expert. Now to check and make sure. A little trick of the trade I learned right from culinary school. What you want to do is you can take a toothpick. You can take a regular knife. I don't have no toothpicks, right? So checking this is how you check it. You stick whatever you're using in it.
Baby, it's a tester in here somewhere. Here we go.
Here we go.
Look. Here we go.
Right. It's the tester, right? It says cake tester. This is a cookie tester. What you do is you stick it in there. If it's stuff on it when it come out, it's not ready. Looks pretty clean to me. Again, looks pretty clean to me. How do I know that? Again, I'm an expert. Looks pretty clean. So now what you want to do is, first of all, don't just dig into it. Relax. Breathe. Let it cool down first. Golly. I got the ice cream out already melting a little bit more. I got the bowl for me and only lady. Right?
I want a pretty bowl.
I guess my bowl didn't meet her standards. All right, that's fine. The bowl for only lady, right? Anything, the best from all. You see, I was gonna use this for my tester because we on a budget with production right now. But this is my bowl, and my spoon.
You're not gonna give Dad a bowl?
Huh?
You're not gonna give Dad a bowl?
That isn't nowhere to be found right now. But you know, sure. There we go.
His stomach gonna be hurting anyway.
It is. Is his stomach hurting now?
No.
Oh. But as you can see, like I said, it was gonna rise up. Now we're just waiting on it to cool down. We're gonna do the cookie first, and then the ice cream, and then if you want to do the Captain Crunch crumbles, you do that on top of the ice cream. Okay? We'll see you in a little bit.
It's good. Hey everybody. Why do I have 2 spoons in mine?
I don't know.
Does it taste different with the cinnamon, with the crunch berry on top?
It does.
It's good. Let me taste yours and see.
No, that's why I got some
Why
crunch
you
berry.
gonna snatch your bowl like
There got some
that?
crunch berry right there.
You mean that too, don't you? Okay, just put a little bit. Okay. Wait a minute, babe. Don't eat it all up before you do your thumbnail. That's your thumb. Baby, is that what you're doing with thumbnail? No.
And your thumbnail.
I cannot with either one of y'all.
There we go.
Y'all special.
That's it right there.
It's good. Let me see. Let me see if I like it with this crunch berry stuff on the top.
That's good, ain't it? You supposed to do your like rabbit thing, like
That's what I'm doing.
yeah, rabbit thing.
I just want the chocolate chip cookies and ice cream.
Well, then take it. Give me.
So we gonna smush it up. Steven, did you put it on a spoon so they can see it?
Oh,
good?
my fault.
It's good.
Get y'all a bite. Get y'all a bite. Nah, that's enough. Golly. Where's my spoon back?
That's how I want to do. And the cookie is still warm.
Yeah, I did that. I did.
It's good. We used to smack them.
Sir, I ate that. I ate that thing.
You ate that thing back.
Yeah.
So is that what you using for your thumbnail?
Yeah, that's my thumbnail.
You ain't doing right.
This is it right here. Yeah.
Make you dance.
Once you gotta lean with it and eat.
This is a... Honey,
Huh?
where are you?
I'm gonna look for the dog too.
You what? What'd you say, babe?
I'm gonna look for lost children.
You going to look for lost children? What you mean?
I can get them some.
You gonna get them some? The lost children in the room.
I can't find them.
You can't find them. Y'all, this is another one of my favorites. I love warm chocolate chip cookies and ice cream. That's why I didn't want the cinnamon crunch stuff on there.
That's it right there. That's a good dessert right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good date night dessert. You know, make it together. Mm-hmm.
Tell your brother to take notes, him and CC.
Yeah.
They may turn out better than his pizzas did.
Or that little
Rice
Rice
Krispie
that
treats.
brick he made. Indeed.
The brick he made.
Yeah. Hey, bro.
And then did he try to blame JJ?
It's all good, man. You know, listen. You're never too old to take notes, brother. I don't mind sharing the recipe, man.
Okay, babe. Well, you gonna let the family go? We
Bye.
good? You can't come over here with the family and be rude. You've been fussing at the family the whole time.
You're right.
Talking all
I'm sorry. I was just hungry.
This is the family that sent you all this stuff for graduation.
I was just hungry, right? I just wanted a cookie skillet in my system. Now it's in there. I appreciate y'all, right? We a family. Sometimes you gotta talk to family like that. That's okay. That's all right. Because you live and you learn, right? That's all right, though. Hey, I got the cookie skillet in me now. I'm good.
It's good, babe. Thank you for fixing me some chocolate chip cookies and some ice cream.
Yeah, I gave you a piece.
You did. Your daddy was trying to take it.
Don't let dad get it. That's it right there.
Oh, good. You done? I mean, you are literally done, right?
That's it.
Well, y'all. Have cookie and ice cream on my mountain. Thank y'all for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so.
Please.
By doing what?
Hitting a nosy.
And that's turning on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we're over here doing all the things, okay? Hopefully he didn't hurt anybody's feelings. If he did.
I was joking. I promise you. I wasn't serious.
He was joking, okay?
I'm not like that.
This is dude number one's son. That part. Well, thank you all so much for watching. You've turned off the oven. All is well. You put up the ice cream. Okay, we're good.
Right. Gonna wash this bowl.
You did good, babe. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Well, listen, thank y'all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye. What you doing? Bye, y'all.
Bye.